All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. How many languages do you speak?
Uh, I can speak three languages: English, Urdu, and Punjabi. Punjabi is my mother language, but mostly I use Urdu when I go to university for lectures, and now I am preparing IELTS test to go to study abroad, so I can speak more fluently Punjabi language.
English. IELTS is not in Punjabi. International Punjabi language testing system. Yeah? Yeah, and sometimes, okay. All right. Punjabi mein 3 gaaliyan likhiye. Okay, something like that. All right. Listen, you've got 2 main issues. Number 1, fluency. After every sentence, you repeatedly say like this. And number 2, pronunciation. And grammar comes at number 3. Now, let's go on. Would you like to learn any language in the future?
Yes, I like to learn.
I would like to learn.
I would like to learn language.
Pashto, English, French, German, Spanish. So you need to be sure about it. Would you like to learn any language in the future? I would love to learn French because French is a very good language, and as I'm planning to go to Canada, French is second official language there. That is why I would like to learn French language. I know it's a difficult language, but I would accept the challenge of learning this language. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Do you think it is difficult to learn a language?
Yes, I think it's very difficult to learn a new language because when we learn a new language, then we know from basics, and I think it's very difficult to learn language.
Okay, this is good. Use a variety of words, be fluent, focus grammar, and you'll be fine. Now repeat after me. Bonjour. Repeat after. Bonjour.
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 Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous is French. It means how are you? Once I taught French language in the university, and I taught them bonjour. Bonjour is hello. Comment allez-vous is how are you? So after the semester, I met one of my old students, and he decided to speak French with me. So as I was walking, he stopped me and he said, bonjour. I said, bonjour. Then he started thinking, comment allez-vous? He didn't know that. He thought and thought and thought, and after some time he said, Kutam allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? He said, Kutam allez-vous? I said, it's not Kutam allez-vous, it's Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous means, how are you? So just speak frankly, confidently, and you'll be fine, right? Thank you.